Hello everyone, I'm Kishore John, your K24CS1064, and in this video we are going to see about linear search and binary search in Python. Come on, let's get into the video. So this is the code we are going to look into the code, particular video. So first we have linear search and we have binary search. So what is linear search? So linear search in simple terms, it just traverses through each element in the list, and once the target element is found, the index is written. That is, each element of the list is compared with the target element. For comparison, we are using a for loop where the range extends through the length of the list so that each and element is picked from the list and compared if it is equal to the target. Once if it is found, the particular index or the I value of the loop, that is the loop variable, is written. If it is not found, -1 is written. Then we are seeing about binary search. As you could see, in binary search, we have two variables. So first, let us visualize what is a binary search. So in order for a binary search algorithm to work, we need a sorted list. So let's explain, let us see how it works. So when you take up a binary search algorithm, it just picks up the mid element and looks for the or compares if it is equal to the target element. And if it is not equal to the target element, it compares whether the mid element is smaller or larger than the target element. The mid element is smaller or larger than the target element. If the mid element is larger than the target element, the array, that is, the elements which are to the right of the array or to the right of the mid element are traversed and compared with the search element. If the vice versa happen, the elements which are left to the mid of the array, are traversed and checked, following the first step. As you could see, this whole code implements what I have told you in detail. Finds the mid element and compares with the target and decides in which direction to traverse or to continue traversal the next iteration. Now let's try executing the code. So the first part, we have a linear search, and now I'm going to execute the code. And yes, it's now the first part we are going to look at the linear search. So in a linear search, it is not compulsory or it is not mandatory to have a sorted list. So I'm going to give an unsorted list set of elements. So 5, so it's going to be 6, 9, 2, 4, and 1. The element to be searched, I'm going to fix it as 4. And 4, as you can see, it is in the index 3. And exactly, it's 1, 2, 3, and 4. Third index and fourth position. And you have got the answer. Now, let's have a look at the binary search. And in most important thing about binary search is, yes, you need a sorted list. So I'm going to give us elements in ascending order. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Element to be searched is going to be 4. Exactly, we got what we want. This is all about linear search and binary search, and thank you.